Understanding, the car broke down, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can be a bit confusing for learners. The car broke down. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in everyday conversations. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. When we say, the car broke down, we're talking about a situation where a car has stopped working due to a mechanical failure. It's not about breaking something into pieces but about a vehicle ceasing to function properly. This phrase is commonly used to describe situations where a car cannot be driven any further without repairs. Let's take a closer look at the components of this phrase. The car refers to any motor vehicle used for transportation. Broke down is a phrasal verb in the past tense. Broke is the past tense of break, and down here suggests a failure or stoppage. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various tenses to talk about past, present, or future car troubles. To help you better understand, let's go through some examples. 1. Past tense. The car broke down on my way to work yesterday. This means the car stopped working while the speaker was driving to work. 2. Present perfect tense. The car has broken down 3 times this month. This suggests the car stopped working 3 times in the current month. 3. Future tense. If the car breaks down again, we will have to sell it. This indicates a hypothetical situation where the car might stop working in the future. It's also useful to know related phrases for similar situations. My bike broke down. Although less common, this phrase can be used for bicycles experiencing mechanical issues. The engine cut out. This specifically refers to the engine stopping suddenly. We had a flat tire. This is another common car problem but does not mean the same as the car breaking down. Understanding phrases like, the car broke down, can significantly improve your ability to express problems in English, especially those related to vehicles. We hope this video helps clarify the phrase's meaning and usage for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.